The world as we know it is often driven by the acquisition and control of material possessions, wealth, and resources. This pursuit, while perceived as real and fulfilling by many, is likened to building castles in the sand, where one unbounded ocean wave is enough to wash them away. And this analogy illustrates the illusory nature of our materialistic endeavors, referred to as Maya in philosophical terms. Maya represents the veil of illusion that blinds humanity from recognizing the deeper, unified consciousness that binds us all. Humanity stands at the precipice of a profound transformation as a critical mass within the collective consciousness begins to awaken. This awakening challenges the delusions harbored by some billionaires and trillionaires who accumulate superficial assets with the belief in their absolute reality. However, those attuned to the true nature of consciousness understand that real value lies in the qualities of unified consciousness, transcending the illusion of material wealth. This shift in consciousness is not without challenges. The psychological projections of society, often fueled by fear and the need for control, manifest in the form of external crises, such as the fear of impending climate disasters, space alien invasions, or war. These are reflections of the turmoil within our collective psyche, driven by the detachment from our true nature. The path forward involves establishing a sense of being and performing actions rooted in evolutionary principles. This transition is akin to recognizing the principle of karma, where actions have consequences, and the realization that our true potential lies in aligning with natural laws. The awakening of the collective consciousness is essential, as it leads to a world where humanity operates at 100% of its potential, fostering an environment of support and harmony. The journey towards this collective awakening is marked by 3 fundamental steps. First, individuals become aware of the existence of consciousness beyond the material world, an awakening to the reality that transcends changing phenomena. Second, they recognize consciousness as the primary and most fundamental aspect of existence. Finally, they understand that consciousness is the only reality underpinning the entire universe, like an unchanging ocean with ever-changing waves. As our planet aligns more perfectly with cosmic forces driven by gravitational shifts, humanity will experience a natural rebalancing. This alignment is beyond human control, guided by cosmic intelligence that will bring about a state of dynamic stability. The result will be a world without the previous cycles of chaos and imbalance, ushering in an era where humanity can thrive without the need for destructive practices driven by fear and illusion. In this new era, humanity will embrace the qualities of sattva, purity and balance, while diminishing the roles of rajas, activity, and tamas, inertia. This state of balance will enable the planet and its inhabitants to realize their full potential, creating a world that embodies the concept of heaven on earth. The cosmos will bestow upon us incredible discoveries and innovations, leading to a problem-free existence. To achieve this, individuals need only to let go of outdated mindsets and align with the natural flow of the universe. As the collective consciousness adapts to this upward trajectory, life on Earth will become more fulfilling, abundant, and harmonious. This transformation is within reach as individuals awaken to their true nature and contribute to a world where heaven is not a distant promise, but a present reality.
the tale of Maya and the path to true wisdom. In the ancient land of Bharata, where wisdom and nature intertwined, there lived a wise sage named Arjuna. He was renowned for his insights into the spiritual realm and his deep understanding of the human psyche. However, despite his wisdom, the world beyond his hermitage was increasingly consumed by the desire for wealth and power, driven by the allure of Maya, the illusion of material possession. One day, Arjuna had a vision, a celestial dream revealing the interconnectedness of all life and the false allure of Maya. In his dream, he saw a great ocean, vast and boundless, with waves that rose and fell incessantly. The ocean whispered a truth. I am the consciousness that binds all, beyond the material illusions of this world. Upon waking, Arjuna resolved to share this vision with the people, to awaken them from their sleep of ignorance. He embarked on a journey to the kingdom, where he gathered the people and began to tell them the story of the ocean of consciousness. In the beginning, he said, there was only the ocean, unchanging and eternal. Over time, waves of illusion rose, casting shadows of greed, fear, and control upon humanity. These shadows blinded us to the reality of our unity. But there lies a path forward, a journey to awaken the collective consciousness and transcend Maya. Arjuna spoke of 3 steps: awareness of consciousness beyond the material, recognition of consciousness as the core of existence, and realization of consciousness as the only true reality. Inspired, the people of Bharata began to embrace these steps. They sought balance, purity, and a return to natural laws. As they did, a transformation began. The air felt lighter, the land more fertile, and a sense of peace enveloped the kingdom. This was the era of sattva, purity and balance, where heaven on earth became a living reality. persist, balance shall prevail. The world will thrive in unity, with love's enduring tale. Awaken to the light, beyond illusion's night. Find the path to harmony, where consciousness runs free.
The following is a guided meditation, which may be helpful in awakening individual and collective consciousness. Welcome to this guided meditation. Find a comfortable position where your body can remain settled and relaxed. Close your eyes gently and take a deep, cleansing breath in through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. Let go of any tension you might be holding in your body. Imagine yourself standing on the shore of a vast ocean. The waves gently lap at your feet. And as you breathe in, feel the cool, refreshing energy of the ocean filling your body. As you exhale, release any thoughts of stress, worry, or the material pursuits that cloud your mind. With each breath, you begin to connect more deeply to this ocean, representing the vast consciousness that binds us all. Inhale deeply and acknowledge the existence of this consciousness beyond the material world, as real as the waves before you. Visualize these waves as your thoughts and desires. Each wave rises, peaks, and ultimately returns to the ocean. Understand that these waves, though they are ever-changing, are part of an unchanging, boundless ocean. Allow your consciousness to recognize this truth, that you are part of something much greater than the material world. Now, shift your focus to the rhythm of your breath. Inhale and feel the connection to the planet as it aligns with cosmic forces, bringing balance and stability. Exhale and let go of outdated mindsets, releasing the grip of Maya, the illusion that binds us to materialism. Feel the qualities of sattva, purity, and balance filling your entire being. With every breath, embrace this state of balance, letting it flow naturally through you. As you focus on your breath, sense the harmony within you, where your true potential lies. As you continue breathing, imagine yourself contributing to a world where heaven is not a distant promise, but a present reality. See yourself aligning with the natural flow of the universe, awakening to your true nature and sharing this consciousness with others. Inhale deeply, filling your body with this renewed understanding and connection. And exhale slowly, grounding yourself in this moment of awakening. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you feel prepared, open your eyes. Carry this sense of peace, balance, and unity with you as you go about your day, knowing that you are an essential part of the collective consciousness